The Instagram trend of posting photos in 4x5 has virtually taken over the platform. More time on someone's screen is better, right? Well, not if the quality of your feed isn't the best it can be. And although you can post photos taller or wider than the square format, your feed only shows the square portion of it, which really sabotages proper landscape and proper portrait photos. But what if you could post your best compositions without worrying about Instagram's discrimination against non-square photos, and look good while you're at it? I'm Felix, and here's how you can perfect your feed, with no compromises. The trick is simple: to frame all pictures on a square white background. This results in a classy look I only really see used by more obscure but extremely talented photographers like Sean Tucker and Joshua Jackson. The method is extremely simple and takes only a couple extra seconds per post. First, download free editing app Polarr, available for Android and iOS. There's no ads at all and it won't bother you about the pro version. Now open your desired picture, share it to Polarr and click on the border option. Set the aspect ratio to 1:1 and add a bit of extra space if you like. I set the border width to 7. Click the share button in the bottom left and upload the picture to your Instagram feed. The beauty of this is that if you don't use Polarr for something else, it will always open on the border option whenever you share to the app, once again saving precious time. The process will soon become habit, and the extra few seconds are no trouble at all. You can now post whatever photos you want in the compositions of your choice, with no hassle and an elegant, refined feed free of incomplete photos. This has been Felix. Have a good day and a happy new feed.